Video is about communicating your message to your audience. If you have a complex or consultative type sale, then our objective working with you is to tease out that information that enables you to simplify the sale. We've heard about the feel, found, felt, the feature, attribute, benefit, the whole process of communicating what it is that you do in the simplest format for your customers. We know that it's a technique in itself not to overcomplicate things. We don't want to do that here with video either. The bottom line is that we can have a single camera and communicate a message, or we can have a slider as we have here, which will gradually move backwards and forwards and just introduce a bit of interest into the film. But the bottom line is that our approach is not about producing a flashy corporate video, although we'll do that, and it's a lot of fun doing it. And it's not just about producing a stylized product video. Our objective with you is to help you create a consultative selling approach and video to you communicating a complex subject. So that's it. It's not a very long one. Just to say, this is how we would go about it. This is what we think is the best thing for you to do. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.